In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account, right? Not your page, your Facebook account. Then, from these displayed options, if I click on here, okay, not here, you would see this group chat, right? Create group chat. So before you can create a group chat and add a whole lot of people here on Facebook, you need to have some friends, and this account is basically a test account with just a friend here, just one person online, and it's a shaman. So if you want to create a group chat, you click on this create group chat. Then because I don't have a lot of friends here on Facebook, if I did, I would have added all of them manually up to this group. So that is basically how you can create a group chat on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.